Hi guys, this channel is called DIY Derek and I'm Derek. And today in this video, we are going to be reading a book that I wrote called If You Give a Spouse a Sofa. I grew up reading a book called If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. It's where one thing leads to another, and you end up with a totally different result than what you intended when you started. Well, I decided nothing applies to DIY more than that book. So I wrote a parody called If You Give a Spouse a Sofa. Let's get right into it. I also like to write music, so let's add some of my music as a background track. Let's hit it now. If You Give a Spouse a Sofa. Written by Derek Westra.
And my niece Christine here is the illustrator.
If you give a spouse a sofa, she's going to buy some throw pillows to go with it. When she gets the pillows just how she likes them, she'll probably want a matching rug. When she's finished making it all look perfect, she'll stand back and admire her new space. Then she'll grab her phone so she can take a picture. When she looks at the picture, she might notice that the curtains don't match the new pillows. So she'll ask you to go with her to the furniture store. After she's finished picking out the new curtains, she'll notice that the store is having a sale. She'll start shopping. She might get carried away and buy stuff for 3 other rooms in the house. She may even take you to a couple other stores while she's at it. When she's done, she'll probably want to take a nap. She'll fix up a nice spot on the new sofa with the throw pillows and a blanket. She'll crawl in, make herself comfortable, and fluff her pillow a few times. She'll look up at the ceiling for a minute before going to sleep. Then she'll realize that the ceiling color doesn't match the new curtains. She'll go to the computer to look at design ideas. When she looks at the pictures, she'll get so excited, she'll want to redesign the whole living room. She'll grab a paper and pencil. She'll draw a picture. There are shiplap walls, hardwood floors, and a fiddle leaf fig in the corner. Also, new paint. She'll then want the room to look just like her drawing, which means she'll need tools. She'll pull out her saw, her nail gun, crowbar, and paint cans. She'll tear out the carpet and install new hardwoods. Then start cutting and hanging the shiplap onto the walls. She will work all day until she is very tired, but very happy. She'll go out to the back patio to lie down. You'll bring her a cold drink and a throw pillow for her head. As she sips her drink, she may just squeeze your hand and say, "Honey, you know what this patio needs?" A new sofa. The end. Or at least until the next project. I had such a fun time writing this story. I hope you enjoyed reading it. You can buy it at Amazon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.